In this episode, we carry on our road trip around the diamond circle of Northern Iceland, and we will land on the moon, take you to the most incredible places that only exist in Iceland. So come on, let's go. I'm Sabrina, welcome to my channel, and welcome to Northern Iceland. So here you can see Lake MYVATN. It's covered in snow and mostly ice. Look at this. It's crazy, beautiful landscape. All the heat coming out on these. Oh my god, is that Krafla? Look how beautiful this is. The volcano crater there. Wait. Oh. Hang on. We might be on the road that we didn't want to be on.
I think we are.
That crater there is so impressive. Oh my god, look how beautiful this place is. It's just crazy. Like they say, it's like the moon. Oh my god, look at the sheep. Oh, how beautiful they are. Like they say, it's like the moon here. So it's the moon during Christmas. Whoa! Look at that mountain here, Andy. There's a bit of sun and a bit of snow falling down over there. Usually it's yellow, but we see it white. It's quite funny. All the pictures I've seen is kind of yellow, orangey, ochre. But now we've got a dust of snow everywhere because it's supposed to be this color. Makes me want to just jump out of the car and roll in the snow. I'll probably end up in a crevasse. It's like, oh, that's not just a dust of snow, it's a big hole. Crazy. Wow. That means that we can go and see that on the way back. Yeah, I think there's a road here. It really looks like we're going nowhere. Look at this all white. Everything's just so white. DETTIFOSS, yay! Arriving at DETTIFOSS waterfall here. So apparently there's two waterfalls. You need to see Selfoss as well, which is about 1 kilometer walk. Eddie, I need a small pit stop. So we are arriving now at DETTIFOSS. Walking for about 3 minutes from the parking lot. How long does it say? It says 800 meters. Yeah. Okay, so it's 200 meters to the parking lot over there and 800 meters to the waterfall. So it's 1 kilometer walk all in all. So it shouldn't take too long. Wow, look at that wall. Isn't it so Game of Thrones? It's crazy. Oh, I can see see, I think it's down there, the DETTIFOSS. That wall is so impressive. It's a crack in the crust of the earth. Indy, I don't want to fall, please wait for me. I feel like I'm going to finish on my last. Look at this. There's a cut in there. There's a, what do you call it? Canyon, yeah. There's a cut in the crust. I can hear the water. We must be close. I think the waterfall is right there. Almost there. Oh. I think it takes a little while to walk this because we've had fresh snow, so obviously the ground is a little bit more difficult to walk on right now and you have to be careful. I was reading some comments where some people were saying, oh, it takes an hour to go there. It's really not worth the visit. I would drop it because we are on a very tight schedule. It's like, you're going to Iceland to see what then? If you're not going to go and see that, then what's the point? It's not Iceland's fault, it's you not timing your things properly. Oh my God, it's big! Whoa! Oh! Whoa! Look how big it is!
Listen to this. Does it sound like I'm not utterly amazed with the grandeur of this waterfall? One word is in order. Go.
Wow.
It really is hard to appreciate how huge and powerful this is on film.
So it looks like there's different platform where you can see it from. Looks like you can go downstairs. Not sure it's very wise and safe to stand super impressive.
Whoopsie, we just got taken over by a snowy cloud, it looks like.
Look, my head is so big compared to you because I have, look, my face. So for whoever that said on the internet it's not worth a visit, that's a lot of bollocks. Let me tell you, this is absolutely stunning. I don't understand people sometimes. If you want to see nature or not, don't come here if you don't want to see nature. People on the internet, oh, it took an hour, it's not worth it. It takes too long. Bloody hell. Go to Disney World, you're right there then. People are weird. If you don't like nature, don't come to Iceland. It's all about that in the first place, so why?
Be aware that when the weather gets too bad, they do close some of its access, and indeed all the access of these two waterfalls in particular.
It's quite snowy but not icy, so it's good. Getting in the clouds.
The sheer force of the most powerful waterfall in Iceland. Sorry, the audio is a bit crap. It was so windy that day.
we are on the way to see another waterfall called Selfoss. There's also a city called Selfoss here in Iceland, but it is in the south. Selfoss, the waterfall in the north. Selfoss, the city in the south. We'll be back in a little bit.
This is our second waterfall of the day now, off to the beautiful Selfoss.
Nice. It's like we are on the moon, but it's Christmas. So just at the back of DETTIFOSS. Very peaceful. Okay.
We are now getting closer to Selfoss, and this is the view of the breathtaking canyon between the two waterfalls.
So this one here is Selfoss. It is directly linked to DETTIFOSS, which is more powerful. DETTIFOSS is more powerful than Selfoss, but Selfoss is not very pretty. The setting is pretty magical. Okay, bye bye Selfoss. Absolutely beautiful.
Kjarnavopnatilraunir var samþykktur árið 1996 en tók aldrei.
We are now traveling back to where we all started, near Lake MYVATN, and next we shall take you to the moonlight landscape of the famous HVERIR Valley. It is the set of many movies due to its moonlight landscape, and one stop not to be missed when you are around in this region. Please note on arrival, HVERIR is free, but you need to pay a small parking fee there and then.
Keep touching the button, but my hand is so cold it won't be able to switch it on.
Sorry for the audio, this place was so windy, and so just heads up for that, it really smells bad there. The sulfur is intense and it was very muddy when we went, and the mud is very sticky, and my advice would be bring some clean shoes so when you get back to the car you have some clean shoes to go with. But now let's watch these crazy landscapes. Iceland is so full of incredible surprises.
I hope I don't speak.
I hope you are enjoying this series, and if you do, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking the bell and give me a like It helps the channel. Thank you.
Thank you.
And if you have any question or want to say hello and tell me where you are watching from, then please use the comment box below. I will try to answer all your questions you may have. This was a great treat after a cold outdoor day full of wilderness adventures. The nature bath is easily accessible and well situated near HVERIR, a great pit stop to restore yourself and get pampered. Entering the building, you will find a nice restaurant canteen type where you can buy souvenirs, food, postcards. They even sell t-shirts and warm jumpers.
Hello, love.
And just in case you may need, you can rent a swimming costume, a bath towel and a bathrobe for a small cost.
Andy, I can't see. So there's some little stones at the bottom of it. There's a bar here. We shall see about that.
First thing first, let me explain to you how this place works. So first you need to change and then wash. Wash well. Nobody wants to be in a hot bath with the muck you've accumulated all day. This place is for the locals to enjoy, so please be respectful and do as they do. They meet up here after work, it seems, and enjoy a drink, chatting away and relaxing in this outdoor bath.
And yeah, let's find the hot spots here because it's a bit cold and it's snowing outside just now.
There are many different spots. So first, before the bath itself, there is an old-fashioned steam room which smells amazing, a must. Then you are ready for the bath. There are different parts with different temperatures. Choose what feels nice for you to enjoy and relax.
So this is the Foss Hotel in MYVATN, and we are going for dinner. Yeah. So, look how nice it is. That's a lovely little corner. This. Oh, look, Andy. That's what we went to see today, I think. Poof, it smells like garlic in there. Okay. So we are having the vegan dinner here at the Foss Hotel in MYVATN. My God, it's so delicious. I have no idea what it is. I think it is vegan. It's either vegan or vegetarian. This is a celery steak, beans, tomato, broccoli, and this, I have no idea what it is. But it is delicious, isn't it? Thank you so much. Thanks.
Thank you.
Excuse me? Sorry. What is this? The white stuff?
It's
this?
coconut cream.
Oh wow, it's so delicious.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So nice. Try the chips with the coconut cream.
Okay. Thumbs up.
Next time we are taking you to the lava rock forest where Icelandic Father Christmas hide and off to the waterfall of the gods. We will then head back to the wonderful Húsavík. If you haven't watched episode number 2, please do that to do it all over again. Northern Light, geothermal bath and whale watching. Or is it all going to go wrong? The answer is next week, so don't forget to subscribe.